a road trip and we are headed to Portland. Now Portland is one of like the most beautiful parishes in Jamaica. Me think so. Everybody thinks so, right?
Yep.
So with us today we have Jake Ruben. He's the official tour guide for today. We have these
back again. Spain Town Governor.
I'm Lucy.
Shandon001.
It's all about Instagram handles right now. So as I said, we're going to Portland, so we're on our way there now. So let's see, let's have some fun, let's enjoy the beauty of Jamaica. So we just made a stop. Claude says it's a lookout point.
Vamos, vamos, vamos.
Ooh, yeah, this not bad. This nice. Wow, wow, it looks so good.
So sir, you couldn't help her down.
Let me go.
Yeah, touch down here, go on. Here you go.
All independent ladies. La, 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 la,
Yeah,
la.
now you see on the ground?
Why I keep on doing this?
Alright, so we're in St. Thomas. Close to White Horse. It's on the side of the road. Got some interesting rock structures. So these boulders here in the water, they fell off of the mainland here. And yeah. So anyhow, this is ChantayLainey and I'm Jake Ruben, the Visual Ninja, and we're having fun. We're in St. Thomas. Yeah.
So we made it to Portland. It's raining right now, but we're waiting. It's a passing cloud, we're hoping.
Stop now.
Yeah, so as I said, we're making two stops. That first stop was just like a little bonus that Jake find and make us stop at.
Ladies!
Oh my god. So we're at this place that is considered Turtle Bay, but not really. It's like a little cliff lookout point. So we're basically at somebody's house. Like it's a little community. There's like, you know, houses, you know, a nice little community here. And then, wow, dude, look at the waves over here. It's, look at the waves.
Do you like us? Are you sure this is a standard parking area?
So we're waiting on the rain to ease down a little bit and then we go and check out the place. So let's see. Okay, so we are walking along a path. Google Maps says it's one minute walk. It did never look so short though.
Alright, so apparently yes, I named Turtle Bay as well, because the pastor tell me say sometimes the turtle them come in and swim and enjoy themselves, but through the storms and things, the turtle in there right, you know. So check them up on Instagram, Turtle Bay 876. Holding. Oh really?
You really didn't want to step on this wheel? Yeah.
This looks scary to go down. we are apparently at Turtle Bay too. The tide is rising, so I came out because your girl cannot swim, but it's so pretty. So right now Garth is trying to get a photo.
Oh, next too.
Doing the most for this photo that he's gonna not post on the gram. So we made it to the next location. It's a long trail. Is it long?
No.
You say it's like a 5-minute walk.
Like
It's a half-hour walk.
So I have to do a little trail before we reach down. So I'm not try dead well, me I walk. So when we get there, I'll start vlogging again. Got dropped on the way down, we almost slipped. Everybody almost dropped, and it was so worth it because it's beautiful. And there's like literally 3 other people here, so we literally have this whole pretty beach to ourselves. I'm so impressed. I'm glad we made the trip and came here. So nice. Wow guys, I'm impressed. Because we have all this beach and 3 other random people to ourselves. Relationships are all about. Yeah girl, you have it, arch it out. Wow.
Yes, greetings one and all. You know, it's coming to the end of the vlog. You know, I'm Jake Ruben. And this is our homegirl, ChantayLainey.
I mean, it's only my channel, but I'm your homegirl, sure.
She is our homegirl, you know. And we're just saying, you know, this is the end of the vlog. What are the people in there?
Guys, come say hi.
Wanna come say goodbye?
Spain Town Governor representing the fullest.
We had fun.
We did! Alright guys, this is the end of the vlog. If you enjoyed this video, y'all know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. It was so much fun. The place was so gorge. Thanks to our travel guide.
Yo, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Jake Ruben. I take amazing pictures and amazing cinematography type stuff. He's in me documentary type stuff. So yeah, follow me. Follow this beautiful woman here. She's amazing.
Alright guys, if you're not subscribed, subscribe now. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!